Hello, my name is Leona.
I'm Grace.
And we're going out today. Grace suggested that we should prep our skin together, shall we?
Yes. Let's do something special with Double Serum.
What's so special about Double Serum?
Yes, so Double Serum is the legendary worldwide bestseller. It is an age control concentrate.
And we're going to add Double Serum into our mask today, right?
To make it more powerful and effective.
Right.
So right now, in front of us, we have 3 different masks, SOS range. The very first one is the SOS Comfort Mask. So this one is for dry skin.
Right.
This one here, we have the SOS Hydra Mask. SOS Hydra Mask is a mask for me right now because this is for dehydrated skin that is lack of radiance and comfort.
So for me, I'm going to choose the SOS Pure Mask, which is the green mask, and this is really good for like oily skin, open pores. I need this right now. So we're going to just use the mask, okay, and we're going to add Double Serum into the mask, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So you can add just like 1 or 2 drops of the Double Serum into your mask.
Right, so what Double Serum is going to do for this green color pure mask is that it's going to balance it out, because the green mask is going to tighten the skin, mattify the skin, and the Double Serum will help it to be more, give it more nourishment, make it softer and more comfortable on the skin.
Yeah.
And for you?
So I'm going to use 2 drops because my skin is feeling tight and lack of comfort. So this is my mask.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and mix it up.
Yep.
And make sure that you give it a really good mix, and then you apply it all over your face, and ensure that every inch of the face is covered with the mask plus the Double Serum. Shall we?
Let's go.
You can really feel the tightening effect of this green mask. I think it's because of the green, the extract, the alpine willow herb, but tightens the skin and draws out all the impurities from the pores.
I feel a cooling sensation when I apply the mask all over my face. It's very comfortable.
Right, and I feel that by adding the Double Serum, it really makes this mask so easy to apply, and I can feel that it glides so well and really makes the skin feel a lot more comfortable than without.
How do I look?
Oh, very nice, Smurfette.
Thank you. So we are going to leave the mask on for about 10 minutes and we will rinse off with water after that.
See you later.
Bye.
Wow.
My skin feels more soft and supple, and I can feel that it's more comfortable right now.
Right, and my skin feels a lot more fresh, more matte. In fact, it's so good that I think we can go out right now.
Yes.
So if you'd like to find out more about our skincare routine, watch our other videos.
Bye.